Tragedy. Tragedy.
Entry team, this is Talk. Negotiations have failed and suspects have dug in. Entry team, go when ready.
I've never played this map before. I'm gonna read the mission details. I need to apprehend George Brixley. Okay, let's go. Police, yeah, I'm here. No one's in here. Put your hands in the air. I haven't found anyone yet, but once I do, they're going down for sure. Oh shit! Put your guns down. Put your gun 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 down now.
Hands on your head. Do it now. Hands up. Do it now.
Get down. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees, sir. Get down. Get down. Get down. Tell your friend to stop. I'm securing the evidence.
Down to the ground now.
Okay. Kicking him is a little bit unnecessary.
Continue mission.
Hands up. Down on your knee. Hands on your head. Now.
Get down.
Get down.
Why are you walking
Hands
away?
up now.
Get down.
Get down.
I'm a fucking police officer, man. Why would you kick with the fucking leg? Is my guy fucking stupid? Okay. It's 5. Oh. Found him. Hello? Found him. Grenade out. Better be on your knees when I come around this corner. Where'd they go? Nobody's in there. Gotta do it fast.
Hands up.
Oh, I thought that light was a person.
Down now.
Put your hands up,
Get
bro.
down.
I'm gonna shoot this guy. I forgot I had a taser. I should have tased. There we fucking go. Oh my god. I just came up with a great idea.
Talk to
Okay.
lead. Proceed with mission.
My plan here, I'm gonna go in this building, okay? I'm looking for a man. This guy. He has a buzz cut and he's in a military uniform. I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna tase him. Let's bust right in. This is the police. Right around this corner. Last time. Hello?
Over here, we got cops.
Oh shit. Oh. Okay, 2 enemies down. In the main hall. Grenade out. I need to... Uh-oh. Taser. Oh, shit. Okay. Everything's fine. That's not him. Holy shit, that guy's fucking crazy aim or something. Okay, I gotta be careful of this guy, apparently. Okay! I'm sorry. I'm not actually the police. I'm just pretending. Got him. Tricked him. Now he believes him. Going in with the grenade. Oh shit. That didn't work. Ow. I hear him. Okay. That's the taser. Holy shit! Holy fucking shit! What?
Talk to
We're
lead.
going.
Just move
I'm not
in.
even going there
Remember
this
your
time.
use of
I'm gonna go
force
in through
and
here.
secure the area.
Yep. Oh
Hands
shit.
up now.
That looks like a bad
Drop to your
guy.
knees. Put your hands up. Police, hands up now.
Put your fucking hands up.
Let me see
If you
those
fucking
hands.
try something, I'm gonna fucking shoot you, bro.
Turn around and stay still.
Buddy.
Trailers.
Talk
This what
reporting.
happens
Trailers incoming. Proceed
when
with
you
caution.
break the law.
Drop the weapon. Police,
You
don't
too, bro.
move. Down
You can
on your
hear me.
knees.
I'm,
Slow,
bro.
drop the weapon.
Oh, I think I'm taking fire from multiple hostiles.
Down on
You
your
little
knees.
fucker. I think he's... Oh my god, that fucking tarp over there keeps moving and I keep thinking it's a person. Okay. I'm gonna go up here. Let's see what's going on up here. Oh shit! That's fine. Let's peek this. I'm actually so scared. Okay. It's okay. I'm the police. They should be scared of me. Okay, does this revolver have any range on it? Let's see if I got him that second shot. Looks like I did. The roof seems to be clear.
One suspect is down and alive.
Entry team. This
Let's go in the roof entrance. So I think I'm gonna have to kill everybody.
Hands up above your head.
Is he getting up?
Hands up, do it now. LSPD, don't move.
Get down. Hello, over
One
here.
suspect down, requesting immediate medical.
lead. This is
Restrain
Doc.
him.
Medical assistance is standing by.
Securing evidence. Okay.
Doc to element. Medical assistance.
Left you for our safety.
For my safety. This is for my safety. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh. Okay, apparently the taser's range is like 2 fucking centimeters. Haha, I caught you with your pants down, buddy. Ooh, it's getting a little bit weird in here. Think of the money. Okay. Okay. Holy fuck. Is that the guy?
Entry team to talk. One suspect.
Ha ha ha. So all I gotta do is get the rest of these civilians, then I'm done, bro. Okay, I think... Oh, I got that guy. Got one girl. I think there's someone in here.
Police.
Oh yeah, there's
Down,
2
hands
people
up,
in
drop to
here.
your knees. Hands up. Down on the ground.
Get down, bro.
Ground now. Get on the ground now.
Bro, can you get down?
Down on your goddamn
I'm not gonna
knees. Hands
fuck-
on your
Whoa.
head. Do it. Hands up.
Well, what
Do
the
it
fuck
now.
are you doing?
Hands on your head now.
Why are they taking... Why are they taking pictures of me?
Team, this is Talk. Send them our way.
Okay, I'm hearing something. I don't know where anybody is, bro.
Cam's notified.
I gotta... Oh, I think I bagged up all the... You are also a star. It confuses me. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that. If he's not in here, then I don't know where he would be. There's gotta be someone in here.
Hands up. Down on your knees.
What the fuck? Oh. Oh my god. I was shooting to see if I would be able to hear someone like yell. And he was out here. He's just sitting across the street. We did it. It took me fucking 20 minutes, but I got the fucking... I did it with only a revolver, you know. That's just how it is.